Hello, my YouTube family. You're here with Skipper Drones, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a quick mail call. We got a build going on of the iFlight 3-inch IH3 frame with the HD camera coming up. So I got a few things in the mail today. The first Amazon package here. I got more parts for the build and extra bills here. These are buzzers. I got them off of Amazon. I think I paid around $9 for 10 of these. So that ain't that bad. They're supposed to be some basic, buzzers. I need to start putting these on my bills so when I start flying this summer, in case of an accident, I can locate it. I'm planning on getting a few more, so like when the battery gets snatched out, you still have a buzzer. We got another package here from Amazon here, you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get it up. Alright. I hate when they come off. Wait a minute, let me see first before I speak. I think I got a variety pack. Please open this. These are some props here I've been hearing about for 3 inches. These are made by iFlight. So I got a variety pack of those. I think about $12. But yeah, these are what I'm gonna put on the quad here. We also got antenna tubes. I've been needing those. And we have here the iFlight antenna. These are the Pagoda antennas, a pack of 2. Got some extra ones, some of those. But I also have here, I don't know which one I'm gonna use with it, because I have this style here. These are iFlights too. I like the way these fit. You can still get a little bend out of them. And we also have the T. These are very robust. Okay, we also have here 850 milliamp 4S with a TX30 connector. We are ready to rock almost. We got one more package coming in, and that should be here. I've looked at it, it should be here Monday. Is the HD camera I have ordered. So that should be here Monday. So yes, you guys, this is going to be a quick video. I would like for each one of you, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit it for me. That helps my channel out a lot and help me grow. If you like my videos and content, hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment. I love helping people out, and I don't mind answering any questions. If you need help getting into the build, I've been doing this for like, I'd say probably 4 or 5 months now. But I have been doing, my bills are nice. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bills now, 5 inches and 5.5 inches. But this build I'm doing now is going to be a 3-inch build. So I will be seeing you guys soon, because that's the next video coming up. I will be seeing you guys on the next one. And I'm Skipper Drones, and I'm out.